video on the Forever Flying channel. Not just any video, but a epic road trip video.
I'm definitely going to use that as the intro. Yeah, enough said. Anyway, I haven't had my hair cut in like 4 million years, so I'm about to go and get it cut. Buzzing, let's go! And that's completely on correct, 100%. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, man. Fucking yes. Day one of our road trip officially. We're out here fishing in the dark. Jesse caught a fish. Me and Fionn have caught 10 ourselves.
As it's finally catching up.
Oh yeah, she's catching up. My belly's a bit full. What about yours, Fionn?
I mean, look at it.
Like the size of the pie, massive. Class. Breakfast of champions. Morning, Jesse. It's early. That's all.
So, lo and behold, after crashing the drone like bleeding Egypts, here they are, coming up on the finish line. Who's gonna take the lead?
Listen, there was a run, right? And he came at me and I fucking went boom. Do you know what I said to him? I went, fuck you, man. I nearly just recorded my death. Was it a goat or a sheep? I don't even know what it is. He nearly fucking ran me, I tell you that much. My heart. Now I'm awake at this freaking time in the morning, jeez. Mountain 2 of the day, except this one was planned, isn't that right?
Sometimes the unplanned is the best.
This one has a bit more of a reward at the end, other than Fionn's crash drone.
The drone is a pretty good reward.
We might just add in there that Jess is doing this on one leg, because she felt the cart full. I need to get me some sheeps. Look at that grass. Lovely. Alright, so that is going to conclude the first vlog of the road trip 2020 with the boys, yes. Look at them, Squadron and Doggo. Okay, don't look at them. Whatever, Film. Shit, cameraman.
I wasn't expecting any of that.
We're currently down in West Cork. You guys will see... Oh, you panned then, didn't you? Yeah. You guys will see more of it in the next video. I'm going to start off the next video with an absolutely sick edit of this place. Hope you all enjoyed the first vlog. It was absolutely crazy day yesterday. What was it? 6 hours sleep in the last 3 days. Fun times, pal. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you later.